Manipur Yaona Laipak asigi state amasung union territory kungani thoida Special Intensive Revision SIR Pangthoknaba Election Commission of India na Khanghallakkhre hiramasigi matangda ngarang Election Commission of India ECI gi Secretary Pawan Diwan na Laipak asigi state taragataret amasung union territory mangagi chief electoral officer Singda aiba cherol thaduna SIR gi preparatory exercise sahi asigi April thadigi haunanaba Khanghallakkhibani SIR gi thabak thoram sing haunanabagi Khanghallakhiba state amasung union territory sing adudi Manipur, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Ladakh, Maharashtra, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Delhi gi NCT, Odisha, Punjab, Sikkim, Tripura, Telangana, amadi Uttarakhandi Hariba state amasung union territory kungani thoi asigi special intensive revision asi chahi asigi April thadagi haunaba pandam thamli maramaduna SIR ga mari leinaba thabak thoram sing athubada mapung fana loisin gadabani haina cherol asina state amasung union territory kungani thoi gi chief electoral officer Singda makhata na Khanghallakli panbayabadi mamang chahi gi October tang kungatareta India ge chief election commissioner Ganesh Kumarna Laipak Sinbathungna SIR Pangthoknaba Lauthokibani SIR gi pandamdi India pumbada chatnariba electoral rules singda aranba amate yauhandaba up to date ohenba amasung electoral roll da India gi citizen khudingmak yauhanba amadi Laipak asigi voter oibe yadaba singna electoral roll digi lauthokpani